Hi everyone, on Windows 11, you can enable developer mode to sideload apps from any source, and in this guide, you will learn how to complete this task. Developer mode is a policy that allows you to lift the original system restrictions to install certain apps on Windows 11. Usually, this is a feature reserved for developers and advanced users since it lets you install apps in development to test your code or install specific apps outside of the Microsoft Store. For example, a modified version of the Windows Subsystem for Android to run Android apps from the Google Play Store. In this video, you will learn the steps to enable and disable developer mode on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 11 and click on Privacy and Security. Next, select the For Developers page on the right side and turn on the developer mode toggle switch. Next, click the Yes button. Once you complete the steps, Windows 11 will be open to receive Microsoft Store apps from any source.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.